Welcome to TMI Trucking Equipment in Norfolk, Virginia. What we offer today is the Isuzu 1G4 14,500 pound capacity crew cab 16-foot delivery truck. This truck is very agile with a 14-foot turning diameter and roughly a 4,300 pound payload. The body on it is a Morgan 16-foot body, 91 inches tall and 96 inches wide. It has a DeHonda 2,500 pound capacity aluminum wedge liftgate that has cart stops installed on it for allowing you to move wheeled cargo without risking it falling off the back of the liftgate. The liftgate itself is 85 inches wide and 50 inches deep. The interior of the body has 3/8 plywood lining with 2 rows of E-track to securely protect your cargo while driving down the road. This truck is equipped with a 6.6 liter GM gas engine and a GM automatic transmission. 38 gallon fuel tank and catalytic converter clamps protecting the exhaust system from theft are already installed on this truck. You get free oil change, free roadside assistance, and a 5-year, 75,000 mile warranty standard on this truck. The cab is a 5-person cab with row triangles and fire extinguisher already installed for DOT applications. The truck has limited edition 4.6% financing available. It is in stock in Norfolk, Virginia. Come see us for your immediate demonstration. Thank you.